Welcome to this latest Go Power video covering PowerTrak and how to wire the communication cables to a 300 Advanced Lithium Battery with an IC3000 inverter charger and two RVC controllers. This setup is suitable for a PowerTrak 800-watt system. Step 1. Remove the water caps from the communication terminals. Step 2. Connect the end cap terminating resistor. Next, connect the RVC system connection cable. Proceed to connect the red ring connection to the positive terminal. Ensure the red ring connection is stacked above other connections. Follow with the black ring connection to the negative terminal. Again, ensure the ring connection is stacked above other connections. Step 3. Connect the 25-foot cable to the RVC connector wires you just connected to the batteries. Next, connect the PowerTrak screen cable to the other end of the 25-foot cable. Finally, connect the other end of the PowerTrak cable to the back of the PowerTrak screen. You are now ready to power on the battery bank. Step 4. Once powered on, you can then set up your battery bank, inverter charger, and solar controller or controllers. The following footage shows the screen displays you will see during the setup process. For more information, visit gopowersolar.com.
For more information, visit gopowersolar.com.